Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Install the latest Nvidia driver and reboot because drivers register the GPU with Windows. Once done, launch the Nvidia control panel as administrator. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and any GPU-heavy programs are closed. That avoids conflicts. Then open Manage 3D Settings. This is where you actually choose the processor. Don't skip the reboot after driver install, since Windows sometimes keeps the integrated GPU active until restart. Next, you set Nvidia as the default inside the control panel. Under Manage 3D Settings, choose Global Settings and change Preferred Graphics Processor to High Performance Nvidia Processor, so all applications prefer the Nvidia GPU. Then, switch PHY's X processor to your Nvidia card to avoid mismatched compute on integrated graphics. After applying, check program settings for any app exceptions and force them to use the Nvidia card individually if needed. This global change is the primary method Windows respects for default GPU choice. Finally, make sure Windows respects the choice. Open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display Right Arrow Graphics Settings and assign high performance to key apps. If you're on a laptop that uses hybrid graphics, check BIOS/UEFI for a discrete-only or GPU priority option and change it if needed. This enforces Nvidia at hardware level. If things still fail, reinstall drivers cleanly using Display Driver Uninstaller and then Nvidia Installer. One tip: update chipset and firmware, because outdated firmware often keeps the integrated GPU stuck as primary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.